Hi everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional but extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, September the 5th, 2020. The second Sudoku is a 2 stars Sudoku, and this one will be number 1471. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. The previous Sudoku 1 star has 27 printed digits. How many digits has this one? I think 26, but let me count. We have here 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. Plus 2 is 15. Plus 4 is 19. Plus 2 is 21. Plus 3 is 24. Plus 2 is equal to 26. Yes, correct. So let's get started. How about, let me see which number I can use. Yeah. Let me see. Well. Alright. Yeah, okay. Well, we have a 4 in this row, a 4 in the row above, so in that row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then yeah. 5, 2, 3. A 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Oh, there we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then we have in this big square 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. The 2 and the 4, we have those digits in this column, so no 2 and a 4 in these 3 boxes, so the 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes in this big square. But I see here 2, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 4 goes here. And then 3, 6, 5. So these 3 numbers should be the 3, 6, and the 5. 365. Remember that? Because we have a 3 in one of these 3 boxes. 2 boxes. I see here 3. So these 2 boxes could be a 3 in this column. We have in the last column a 3 over there, so in the column between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3, I need to wait. How about, yes, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So we have an 8 in one of these 2 boxes in this column. We have an 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. That means we have here 3 missing numbers. In this row, the 4 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. I see here a 4 and a 7 in this column, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. 4 and a 7, it's a pair. Alright, so 1 box left. In this third row should be the 6. Alright, so we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the third row, a 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4, therefore should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. Let me see the 9 in this column, a 9 in the third column, so in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. The numbers 1 and 9 are missing. We see here 9, so no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then we have 1 in this column, a 1 in that column, so in the column between the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so in the second row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. In these 5 missing numbers in this row, one of the missing number is in 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here a 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. First digit, alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then cannot continue with the 9. How about the number? These 3 numbers should be, let me see, 5 and 8. Yes, 5, 8, and 7. 5, 8, and 7. Look, we have a 7 and an 8 here, so no 7 and an 8 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 5. So the 7 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 6. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Let me mark them for you. 7 and 8. It's a pair. It's a pair. Here. Let me see. Alright. 3. 5 and 6. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the middle row. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 6. It's a 6. We see here 6. No 6 there. Here 6. No 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes and there. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 and the 9 are missing. It's a pair. Let me mark them for you. 8 and the 9. 1 box left in this column for the number 8. No, 8 we have 5. 5 is missing, yes. 2 missing numbers in the last column for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 7. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be the 4. Then 2 boxes left in this row, the second row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and an 8. 7 and an 8. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this can't be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be the 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so on the last row, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, can I fill this yet? No. 2 and 5, let me mark them then. 2 and 5. Alright, 2 and 5. These 2 boxes also 2 and 5 in the last row. 2 and 5. Now we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be there, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 2. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and a 6. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 6 goes there. Then. How about these 2 numbers in this column? The missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 5 and the 6. 5 and the 6. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the 6 and the 7. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be the 8. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes, exactly. I like the Sudoku. I'm very pleased in 14 minutes. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku, a 3-star Sudoku. So, see you later. Bye-bye.